Hey folks! Welcome back to another Health Gig video. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 side effects of COVID-19 vaccine you should know. 2020 is the worst year for health worldwide. Our world is shaken with coronavirus that spread so rapidly across the globe. It started in Wuhan wet market China, to every country of this world. Our health system is overwhelmed by this catastrophe. More than 92 million people were affected, and 2 million people deaths, and getting a higher number each day. The other worst thing is that there are virus mutations with a deadly impact. It's more contagious. Countries impose a total lockdown and strict rule for stopping the spread of coronavirus. Most of the advice from health institutions to avoid COVID-19 is to increase your immune system. We have a video which talks about boosting your immune system during COVID-19. Recently, several coronavirus vaccines have now been approved for use. There are more than 50 vaccine candidates for trials. The purpose of getting a vaccine is to leave a supply of memory T lymphocytes, and B lymphocytes, and antibodies that remember how to fight the virus in the future. Like any vaccines, COVID-19 vaccines can cause mild side effects. Most reactions to vaccines are mild, and go away within a few days on their own. So, don't be afraid folks. These available vaccines are clinically tested. Can you get serious long-lasting side effects from vaccines? Possible, but it's extremely rare. Here is the list of mild side effects you probably have after getting vaccinated. Number 1. A sore arm at the injection site. After the needle went in your arms, it will definitely leave an effect, like a feeling of soreness, due to the muscles being injected. According to the Zoe Symptom Map study, about 70% of people having the Pfizer jab had some reaction around where the needle went in, including pain, tenderness, redness, or swelling, compared with just under 60% for the AstraZeneca jab. Number 2. Fever. Having fever right after vaccination? It's normal. This normally happens within 48 hours of the vaccination, and usually goes away within 48 hours. If the fever starts more than 48 hours after the vaccination, or lasts longer than 48 hours, you should self-isolate and test. Number 3. Headache. Headache is a result of an inflammatory response that happens as the immune system sends the soldiers in to encounter the vaccine, and begin to respond to it. You may get a headache as a side effect in 1 or 2 days after having your vaccination. You can take paracetamol if you want to. Number 4. Joint pain. Data collected by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's CDC V-Safe surveillance system also lists joint pain experienced by people 65 and older, who received the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines between December 14, 2020, and February 28, 2021. Number 5. Dizziness. CDC data collected during the first month of U.S. vaccinations found that dizziness was one of the most frequently noted symptoms across all age groups. These all top symptoms that were the most common among older adults in clinical trials for the Moderna, Pfizer, and J&J vaccines. Folks, here are some tips for you if you have side effects. Number 1. Talk to your doctor about taking over-the-counter medications such as ibuprofen, acetaminophen, aspirin, or antihistamines for any pain and discomfort you may experience after getting vaccinated. It is not recommended you take these medicines before vaccination for the purpose of trying to prevent side effects. Number 2. To reduce pain and discomfort where you got shot, apply a clean, cool, wet washcloth over the area. Use your arm or exercise. Number 3. To reduce discomfort from fever, drink plenty of water, and dress lightly. Remember, side effects can affect your ability to do daily activities, but they should go away in a few days. If you want to know which foods can increase the body's immunity during this pandemic, please watch our video. 7 foods you should eat during COVID-19 that boost your immune system naturally. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.